Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine and doing great. In today's video, we will be talking about animals and their classification. So let's get started. What do camels, elephants, horses, and even tiny ants have in common? They are all part of a group of living things called animals. Animals have certain traits in common. Most animals can move. Birds can fly. Horses can gallop. Foxes can run and jump. Sharks and dolphins swim. Unlike plants, animals cannot make their own food. They must eat other organisms to get energy and nutrients. Animals respond to their environments in more noticeable ways than plants. They use their senses to get information. For example, camels can completely shut their nostrils during sandstorms. A snake may lie in the sun when it feels cold. A cat may look for food when it's hungry. There are millions of different organisms on Earth. Scientists organize these organisms by sorting or classifying them into groups according to shared characteristics. Classification has been called the science of finding patterns. Classifying helps scientists identify, study, group, and name organisms. One classification system used today divides all organisms into 6 major groups called kingdoms. The broadest group an organism is classified into is a kingdom. Rather than outward characteristics such as color, kingdoms are grouped by internal form and structure. Scientists classify organisms into kingdoms by carefully comparing their cells, tissues, organs, and organ systems. How do we classify plants? One way to classify plants is by their parts or structures. Scientists look at the shapes of leaves, the kinds of stems, and the shapes of roots. Some plants do not have these structures. We can use this fact to sort plants into 2 groups. One group has plants with roots, stems, and leaves. The other group has no roots, stems, or leaves. We can also classify plants by whether they have seeds. Most plants that you are familiar with have seeds. Plants come in all sizes, shapes, and colors. Some are so small you can barely see them. Others can be as tall as skyscrapers. With this, I come to an end. I hope you enjoyed this information and it was useful for you and your children. Thank you so much for liking my videos. Stay connected for another video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.